This is a suction mount for GoPro. I got this GoPro mount because I wanted to mount the GoPro to my front windshield so we can capture the road with the time-lapse feature. To install it, you get your GoPro, you slip the fins of the GoPro into this right here, stick the pin in, and you tighten it all the way up. One thing I did learn that is very helpful is never screw this part on where the door would be, because if you do so, you run the chance of not being able to get your door open without taking off this. Since I use this GoPro all the time and it's constantly needing to be used for capturing footage, I don't use the door anymore. But it's super solid. All you do is you wipe down the surface of the windshield and also the surface on here. You put it on your surface, you push the lever down, and it suctions onto it. It's not glass, but it can hold it. Oops, I've hit my camera. It's solid. I've been using it for a long time. If you unscrew this thing on the back, you're able to angle your camera left and right. And this little swing arm, you unscrew it, and it's able to set it to any angle you want it to set it at, upwards and downwards. Since my windshield is kind of angled vertical, all I do is I set it on here, tamp it down, put this one here, and then it's ready to go. But typically it's facing the opposite direction. And also here on the top, if you pull this little rubber thing back and squeeze this, you can actually slip it off. So basically you can quickly disconnect your camera without actually unscrewing this bit. Be safe with these things. Don't put them in a spot that's going to obstruct your view from driving, because that's just dangerous. As for this product, I'm able to catch some pretty good footage with it, and I'm glad I've gotten this.